But do people who get catfished, do they really care to be catfished, or are they just stunting for like society?
A man of wealth, a student of science, and a master of other people's minds. Today's story, never seen, only heard.
Welcome back. It's your boy Java that dude, and as always, I'm joined by my beautiful co-host
Cocoyam.
and we have another interesting story for you today. So sit back, relax, like and subscribe, and let's get into another real random talk. Okay, so for this really random talk, I found an interesting article online regarding online dating, how it's going to change in the next 5 years in relation to AI, and how that might affect our younger generation. So this one, let me bring it up, was posted in December 19th, 2024 on CNN Business, but it basically talks about how companies like Match.com, Tinder, Hinge, and OkCupid will use AI in order to not only match people, but also like be like a dating concierge.
Ooh.
What do you think about this, Coco?
Oh my goodness. I feel like we're going extreme with AI, to be totally honest. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm all for Alexa, Gemini, all those things. But I feel like we are taking it a little bit too far. Can you imagine if you are on Tinder and you don't know if the person that you are sending a message to is a human being or AI? That's kind of terrible. That's going to make people to even be more antisocial, because then what are you going to do on the first date? Pull out Chat GPT for every response? Chat GPT, give me a funny response to hi. Okay, let's role play. Hi Java, how you doing?
Hi, Cocoyam. I'm well. How are you?
Good. How was your day?
My day was just fabulous. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. That is too much. Tone it down a little bit. My day was great. How was yours?
Chat GPT, give me a funny, exciting response to my day was great. Can you imagine people like just because right now, even in different aspects of our lives, we're already using like AI for stuff, for response. I mean, some people use it to send emails at work. I don't do it.
Yeah.
But I know people that do. And now with the
It's handy.
is okay, so he's saying he does. But
I never said that, but it is a handy tool.
It's crazy. It's crazy. I feel like
AI.
I feel like now, right? Because people know that AI is like so rampant everywhere. I feel like it's gonna cause people to now even seek more authentic human connection. Do you think so?
I think that'll eventually come.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I thought about this, I'm kind of thinking, do some people even? I mean, I grew up in the gaming era, right? I grew up a gamer. Now I'm still gaming a little bit. Online, there's all kinds of people who are just lonely.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? They just need somebody to talk to. And sometimes you just kind of wonder is it somebody or something to talk to, right? Something that's going to give them some sort of response back, because as they go out into the world, into the real world, they don't know what to do,
Yeah.
right? Like, especially this upcoming generation, I agree with you. I think it's going to cause actual humans to separate a little bit, or it's going to cause us to evolve in a way of our communication has to change a little bit more. Now, that still kind of falls into this topic right here, because the communication, we want to communicate with real people, like you said, more, but we're going to be doing it through AI, like an interface via AI, right?
But
What we say is not exactly what's going to come out on the other end, but hopefully especially if we had personalized chatbots, hopefully they would make it in a way that how we want to express ourselves.
No, I don't think, I agree with you, but I also disagree with you. You mentioned something that was very important. You say online gaming, people are looking for either somebody or something. With AI, we are now pushing to that something. And I feel like it's going to make people to want to return back to wanting to talk to somebody, an actual human being. It's kind of almost like reverse technology
Bring
because
back the sex phone chats.
well, not just that. Yeah, like video, like because people want to now do like video chats instead of like texting.
How you gonna know whether you're talking to an AI or a real person in the video chat either?
What?
Like I said,
Huh?
AI is getting so good nowadays.
No, you
They're
can't. You
replicating
can't
voices.
You can't. Can you? Are you saying that we can now fake a video, a live video call?
I don't think right now we can.
Yeah.
But this article is talking about 5 years down the road.
Because think about it. Tinder. If you okay, maybe not Tinder. Okay, Cupid. I don't know if it still exists, right? But it's one thing, because the reason why people complain about being catfish is, okay, you talk to this person and then they send you a picture of what they look like, and then when you meet them in person, they're completely different. But now I think they're gonna start, because of this AI thing, people are gonna have such negative experience with it that they would now prefer to have like video call from day one.
But do people who get catfished, do they really care to be catfished, or are they just stunting for like society? Like I think of, and I'm sorry to throw strays out here, but I'm thinking of the Manti Te'o. He was a linebacker way back in the day, and maybe it's not way back. I'm getting old, but he got catfished for like a year.
A year?
Yeah, and he's like a football player.
He never met the woman?
So I'm just wondering if,
wow.
And this is nothing on Manti Te'o, because maybe he didn't want a physical relationship. This is what I'm saying, right? Maybe people aren't actually looking for an actual person.
Oh,
they
okay.
just need something to give them the fix. You know what I mean?
But then you can't even say, because before, I remember when online dating started, it was kind of like taboo. You didn't want to say, oh, I met this person online. And now people can say, oh, I met this person online. But now with AI, I mean, I feel like it's going to
They're just going to say they're single.
They're just, exactly. They're not going to just
yo.
easily say, oh, I met this person online, because you tell your friends that, they might just say, are you sure you're not dating AI? Because that could be.
That's a good question.
Yeah,
that might be something that comes up in the future.
Exactly.
Are you sure you're not dating AI, bro?
Are you sure? Oh yeah.
And underlying, they're gonna be thinking, does it even matter?
I feel like authentic human connection will always matter to us human. And I feel like if they start introducing AI to online dating, it's going to cause people to seek authentic connections. Even maybe like one-on-one, like, hey, I met you at the gym, or a friend of a friend introduced us, that kind of dating style.
I mean, I think we both agree that AI can be very useful. Maybe if it's just like breaking the ice or something like that. But more than that, then we got to be careful.
Exactly.
Well, what do you all think? Are you dating AI? Is your friend dating AI? Will they be dating AI in 5 years? That's the real question. But I want to know what you guys think. Put your comments down the bottom. Let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.